The buzz in the tech and creator worlds is becoming an undeniable roar. All eyes are fixed on November 18th, a date DJI has circled on the calendar for what promises to be its next major reveal. While the company loves a good teaser, the floodgates have already burst open. We're not just seeing whispers, we're seeing an avalanche of credible leaks, official teasers, and even confirmed pricing for Europe and the UK. The star of this highly anticipated show is, without a doubt, the Osmo Action 6. And if the information surfacing is even half true, DJI isn't just planning an update, it's planning a hostile takeover of the action camera market. A brand new, hands-on image has given us the most detailed look yet at this next-generation camera, and it's clear this is the company's most audacious and performance-driven design to date. Leaked images placing the Action 6 prototype directly beside its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro, reveal a story of purposeful evolution. The differences are immediate and striking. The new model is visibly taller and thicker, a design choice that immediately signals a fundamental shift in priorities. DJI appears to be moving away from the smallest possible arms race and instead is laser focusing on performance and, crucially, reliability. This new chassis is clearly built for one thing above all else: superior heat dissipation. This isn't just a design flaw, it's a deliberate engineering statement. Inside this beefier body, the Action 6 reportedly features an internal metallic frame that acts as a massive, camera-wide heatsink. This is a direct answer to the mortal enemy of all high-resolution digital cameras, heat. This focus on thermals is a direct shot across the bow of competitors. How many times have action camera users, from professionals to hobbyists, seen that dreaded camera overheating warning, usually at the exact moment that action peaks? DJI seems to be engineering a camera that simply will not quit. This internal frame isn't just a passive component, it's a guarantee of reliability. It suggests you can trust the Action 6 to capture that entire 30-minute mountain bike descent in 4K or that full-hour-long snorkeling session in tropical waters, without a single thermal-related shutdown. For many creators, this kind of reliability is worth more than any single specification. This robust thermal solution also tells us what must be lurking inside: a much more powerful processor and, most likely, a significantly larger sensor, both of which generate immense heat. The lens assembly itself has been completely redesigned. The word chunkier comes to mind, with a deeper, more pronounced bezel and a wider protective glass element. The entire look is more industrial, more squared off, a stark departure from the smooth, rounded, almost pebble-like finish of the Action 5 Pro. This isn't just for tough guy aesthetics. A new, more prominent lens design almost always points to improved optics. It's about maximizing light intake. This camera is being built to be a low-light monster, promising better performance, enhanced color accuracy, and more detail pulled from the shadows. It looks less like a toy and more like a professional tool. But the most significant upgrade, the one that will have every pixel peeper paying close attention, is happening under the hood. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature a sensor that represents a significant leap in size over the already impressive sensor in the Action 4 and 5 Pro. In the microscopic world of action camera sensors, every fraction of an inch is a seismic shift. A larger sensor is the holy grail. It means more light, which translates to brighter, sharper footage. It means improved dynamic range, allowing the camera to capture detail in both the bright, blown-out sky and the dark, murky shadows simultaneously. It means cinematic color depth, and that pleasing background separation that makes footage look less like a video and more like a film. For vloggers, travelers, and extreme sports enthusiasts, this could be the single biggest leap in usable image quality in years. Of course, DJI isn't throwing everything out. Familiar and beloved design elements are making a return. The excellent quick-release cage design from the Action 4 is back, hopefully refined with smoother clips and even better airflow. The camera also appears to come pre-fitted with its lens cover and a rubber protector, those little touches that add value. A classic DJI touch is the inclusion of a waterproofing reminder tag, a simple, smart way to ensure users properly tighten the lens before taking the camera for a dive. It's this focus on the complete user experience, from unboxing to shooting, that sets DJI apart. The box contents appear standard: the Osmo locking screw, a curved adhesive base, and other accessories, along with the usual packet of stickers, warranty info, and setup guides. With the November 18th launch date racing towards us, anticipation is at a fever pitch. The standard combo is expected to be priced around £379 in Europe and £329 in the UK, with the adventure combo costing £479 and £419, respectively. This aggressive pricing, combined with the bold design changes and the promise of a larger sensor, shows DJI is aiming to redefine the entire action camera category. But the spec rumors don't stop at the sensor. While the Action 5 Pro offered a robust 1950 mAh battery for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, the Action 6 is whispered to deliver even longer recording times at higher resolutions. And the biggest rumor of all, 8K recording. Paired with advanced, next-generation AI stabilization and enhanced smartwatch integration, this is a spec sheet designed to dominate. This creates the million-dollar question for consumers: which camera wins your heart? The Action 5 Pro remains a reliable, high-performance workhorse, rugged and waterproof, perfect for immediate adventures. The Action 6, however, is the future, the 8K-capable, AI-powered beast. The choice is between the trusted present and the bleeding-edge next generation. But just as the community begins to process the sheer scale of the Action 6, it seems DJI is preparing a devastating one to punch. The wait is finally over. The DJI Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. According to the latest insider reports, DJI has officially begun mass production. This isn't a distant fantasy. This signals that the next-generation handheld gimbal camera could launch within the next 2 to 3 months, potentially even before the end of the year. Even more exciting, a prototype image of the Pocket 4's chassis has surfaced, giving us our first real look at what's coming, and it's sparking a whole new wave of excitement. The leaked photo shows the Pocket 4 side by side with its predecessor, the Pocket 3, revealing both familiar DNA and intriguing new features. The compact, ergonomic body remains, but DJI seems to have refined the texture and overall build, aiming for an even more premium feel in the hand. The biggest mystery, and the most exciting development, lies into new buttons spotted on the chassis first for the Pocket series. Their exact purpose is unknown, but speculation is running wild. Many are pointing to custom function buttons or, perhaps, a dedicated zoom control, which would directly address one of the few weaknesses of the otherwise stellar Pocket 3. Interestingly, these same extra buttons were previously glimpsed in a rumored Barcelona promotional shoot, and now that the prototype confirms them, the hype is at an all-time high. Despite these additions, DJI appears to be sticking with the fan-favorite 2-inch rotatable display. The cutout and connector placements look identical to the Pocket 3. This means users can expect the same intuitive, fast shooting experience, now enhanced with better ergonomics and smarter physical controls. A closer look at the leak reveals even more. The button layout under the display has changed significantly. On the Pocket 3, this area only displayed the Osmo logo, which served no functional purpose. On the Pocket 4, DJI has replaced that logo with 2 additional physical buttons. This is where the speculation gets truly exciting. These new buttons, perfectly positioned for thumb access, are believed to be linked to the wildest rumor of all, dual camera setup *. Imagine being able to instantly switch between a main, wide-angle camera and a secondary, telephoto camera. This would allow users to toggle focal lengths, activate a split screen or dual view mode for vlogging, or punch in for a close-up without losing quality. This would be a monumental leap, turning the Pocket from a simple gimbal camera into a miniature, multicam production studio. Further details from leaked documents add more fuel to the fire. The new model is rumored to be noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, weighing approximately 116 grams compared to the 179 grams of its predecessor. It also measures slightly taller, slimmer, and thinner, a clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. This sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement will be a godsend for vloggers and creators who value comfort during long shooting sessions. The leaked documents also contain strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting the Pocket 4 is in its final testing phases before certification. The Pocket 3 earned global praise for its smooth 4K recording and portability. The Pocket 4, with its refined design, lighter body, new physical controls, and the mind-blowing possibility of a dual-camera system, is about to take that legacy to a whole new level. We are standing on the precipice of a major DJI offensive. This isn't just a seasonal refresh. The Osmo Action 6 is a professional-grade powerhouse, built from the ground up to solve the core problems of action cameras while pushing the market into the 8K era. The Pocket 4 is the ultimate storyteller's companion, refining a beloved design into a lighter, more capable, and creatively flexible tool. DJI is setting the agenda for the entire creator camera market, and the next few months are going to be revolutionary.